Hello everyone, this is Sri Charan. This is my third lab experiment for the fourth. Sorry, this is my third web technology lab experiment. And this I've asked to create a banner image and display give the following places like admission, calendar, student, etc. And I've asked to again create subdivision among the photos and put some proper like subdivisions like CST block, students and classroom. For this three I set to take 3 photos, and the other one is in order to take a banner image. For this to happen, I've created a code where you can see in this you can see I've used an external style sheet. So I've given style sheet link href equal to style.css relative rel equal to style sheet type is equal to text.css, and then I've put the following things in the list, that is home, admission, calendar and student. And then I've given this in an inline text because it will be mentioned in a continuous manner. And then I've created a section class called banner where I've given the text which is to be printed in that particular banner tag, and then I've taken division for a particular classes block, and for example, and then I've properly divided them into 3 by giving using the division tags, and then for this to be in a proper given shape, I've made it like I've used the style sheet. The style sheet is as follows. First, the header I've just given the color to be blue, and then I've aligned the text to be in center, and then I've put the color of the entire thing to be black and the font size to be 3em. The text shadows 2px and 3px. I've given the simple padding to be 3px. And then I've used the navigation tag, and then it looks like the following. The nav of UL is equal the nav. I've given the I've used an unordered list here where it will be like in an inline block with a width of 20 and text align of I've given as center, because the text is to be put in the center, and the padding is given as 10px. For the text which is to be taken by the particular class A with the in an unordered list is given with text decoration none, because you don't need any kind of underlining or something over there. You consider next banner where you use dot, which denotes the class of the banner, and you generally go to the banner background for the banner as banner image. The background image will be URL/autumn leaves, that is the one which have been selected. Then background size will be equal to cover, and I'll see that there is no repeat for the particular tag. And then the margin I've put as to be auto. I put overflow to be auto because in order to restrict the auto of the particular restrict the overflow. The box, I've given the box to be height of 200 and margin to be 1 and width to be 31. This is just a quantity in order to make it in a perfect shape. And then I've given the display to be inline block, because if you see in this particular place, it is given in a line. So only I've given the particular thing to be in a line and position to be relative, because it can be changed anywhere. In the title, I've given the background color to be RGBA.0. In order to get the linear color, I've given this one. and then alpha colors denotes the sun, and the font is fixed to 2 em, and the position is given as absolute, and fixed it to the bottom corner, and the color is given in white, and I've taken the padding to be 10 px, and I've aligned the text to be in the center. Now we are going to see the output. If you see over here, this is the banner image which I've chosen, and this is the color of the heading which is going to be blue, and then you just wrote the text which you gave in the previous one, and the 4 links which you've created for the home, admission, calendar, student appears over here, and then the background image you set up for the banner is given over here, and the text which you have given, and the alignment, and etc. Everything makes the banner perfect, and the every other element in the block and the for the blocks is makes this in a proper way. This is all for today. Thank you.